Hindi ka lang pambansang ginoo. Almost there ka na, maging pambansang endorser. Anyway, question, what has endorsement, taught you? Like, what has, being an endorser or endorsing taught you the most?
I would say, syempre yung mga brands, kailangan nila tumaas yung sales, kailangan marketing, hindi ba? So parang for me, I'm just really happy na kinukuha ko ng mga brands. But at the end of the day, ang goal ko is makatulong sa brand, hindi ba? Kaya naman nila ako kinuha, and for example, yung mga iba rin na endorsers na kinukuha nila, yun din naman yung objective all the time, right? So, I feel na as an actor, as a celebrity, quote-unquote, na ang duty ko is to help promote the brand. Then aside from that, kailangan kong magamit yung aking platform sa magandang bagay. So, syempre yung feeling ko kasi dapat kung endorser ka, hindi ka lang sikat. Para sa akin, dapat maganda yung values mo as a person, hindi ba? So, ako naman, I'm just being myself. And siguro, now na I have brands under my belt, like what you said, kailangan ko pang mas galingan para makatulong din sa mga brands na nagtitiwala sa akin.
Thank you. Congratulations again.
Thank you.